You're watching the Abby's Golden Girls and Guys show, where Abby Chain helps you get and stay fit while having fun in the comfort of your own home. Abby shares healthy and delicious recipes, and there's always something new going on, so you need to hurry up and get in on the fun.
Hi everyone, this is Abby Chain with Abby's Golden Girls and Guys. What a beautiful day it is. So, welcome to my Abby's Golden Girls and Guys YouTube cooking channel. Today, I am so excited to prepare a dish that is going to be so easy, so convenient, and it's a dish that you can just take on the go, eat with your hands, in your car, on the train. I'm not going to say on your bicycle because you should really have two hands on the handle. But anyway, so what I want to say is this. I want to tell you that I am so excited, and I've always told you that I'm a woman on the go, so all of my recipes are very, very easy to make. They don't consist of a lot of ingredients, and they're just so easy. Like what I'm going to cook this morning, I am so excited because once it's done, I'm going to take it with me to train my personal training clients, and I'm going to eat it on the road. So today we're going to focus on a breakfast dish, and I'm going to show you how to make egg muffins. Not egg McMuffins, because we're not using any bread in this recipe. So think of a muffin made out of egg. So my ingredients that I'm going to be using today: eggs, scallions, bacon, some cheddar cheese, salt, pepper, and let's get to it. So what I'm going to do first is that I have, because I'm only making 6 of the muffins, I'm going to spray a 6 muffin pan with some ham. Okay? Now, I've already cut up about 3 scallions because I'm making 6, and the recipe calls for 1/3 cup. So because I'm making 6, I multiplied it by 3. So here are my scallions already cleaned and chopped and ready to go. Then what I did is I took 3 pieces of bacon, and I prefer to bake my bacon in the oven. So I bake it at 350 for 25 minutes. Therefore, I'm not getting all the grease. I'm not creating a house that stinks of bacon, and my stove is saying thank you because I don't have to clean it of all the grease. So as you can see in this bowl here, I already cooked my bacon and I already have it chopped. All right, so when I cook, I like to just be organized. Like I knew I had to go ahead and preheat my oven. I already know. So you're gonna preheat your oven at 350. I would do that first. Okay, then what I'm going to do is it's 2 eggs, but because I'm making 6 servings, I actually have 6 eggs right in this bowl. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to add 6 tablespoons of shredded cheese. So I'm just going 6. Oh my gosh. And like I said, I know many people choose not to eat breakfast, and that's okay. But you could actually make these muffins, and you could eat them as a snack. You could eat them for lunch. You could eat them for dinner. And you could also eat it for a really good side dish because it's super, super healthy. All right, so I just added my 6 tablespoons of shredded cheese. I'm now going to stir the cheese with my eggs. Oh God. Do you happen to love to just put cheese in your eggs anyway? It always gives the egg such a special taste. I'm just gonna add a little bit of pepper. I'm just eyeing it, and I'm gonna add a little bit of salt, not too much. I'm not a big fan of salt, but if you are, that's fine, because I'm very health conscious, so I don't want salt to create high blood pressure. Okay, perfect. Now, I already told you the first thing you're gonna do. I already have my oven preheating at 350. Okay, it's actually ready to go because I did it before my show. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to line my pan first with my scallions. So I'm just going to go ahead, and again what I do is I just eye it first, making sure that they all get equal amounts, and then I'll go back and I'll add some more. I don't want to take from one mouth to another. Okay, so this looks pretty even to me. And again, if one muffin gets more scallions than the other, I don't think it's going to create an issue. Okay, so I already have my scallions at the bottom of my muffin pan. Now I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna sprinkle the bacon. Now, you know, a lot of people have a myth about bacon and they're like, oh my God, bacon is so bad for you. It's greasy, it's high in cholesterol. But you know something? Everything is in moderation. Why, do you think chocolate chip cookies are really good for you? How many times do you sit down and just binge on 12 chocolate chip cookies? Okay? So same with bacon. I use 3 slices, but divided between 6 pans. So apparently I'm not gonna get that much bacon in my one muffin. So here I have lined my scallions and my bacon. Now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna choose to take my measuring spoon and I'm going to go ahead and fill each muffin pan. Again, I start out really slow, making sure that I don't overdo it in one pan, one muffin, instead of all 6. Oh my, I love it. I love that they all come out perfectly even. Okay, now, see how easy that was? Not a lot. Now, here's what it looks like. And I'm going to go ahead and put them in the oven at 350 for 20 minutes. So here it goes in the oven. Set my timer for 20 minutes. And I'm gonna put it on start, okay? So, I'm super, super excited after 20 minutes, and let's see what happens. Ding, 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 ding. 20 minutes later, and it's time to take the muffins out of the oven. Dun, da, da, da. I have my mitt on. I'm ready to go. Just take a whiff, handsome husband Alan. What do you think?
This is gonna be so good.
My gosh, look at these beautiful muffins. So I'm going to put them on my sheet, and I'm going to wait till they cool, but I'm not going to wait that long, so I'm going to go ahead and take my little clippers and I'm going to remove them from the pan, and I'm going to have handsome husband Alan take a bite. Ready?
Oh my, hold on one second. My mouth is watering.
All right, here we go. Hurry up, because if you don't hurry up, I'm going to devour them myself, because I happen to be starving. What do you think?
This is fantastic. This is a must recipe.
I'm going to taste it too. Oh my. Perfect. I taste a little bit of the bacon. I definitely taste the cheese.
Delicious.
Oh, my biggest cheerleader. I just love you. And what I love about this, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to put one in my bag, and the recipe calls for 2. So I'll finish this one, and I'm going to bring this one with me. But what I do is I'll freeze like 4 at a time. This way I can have 2, and handsome husband Alan can have 2. So again, this is a great, great recipe. It's very easy to follow. It's very, very healthy. And thank you so much for joining me on my Abby's Golden Girls and Guys cooking show, my YouTube channel. And if you like this, please subscribe to it. I also teach on Mondays and Thursdays chair yoga. And on Thursdays, I teach a strengthening class. And if you want more information about that, you could go to vigero.com/Abby's Golden Girls and Guys, and you can find out all the information about my class. But I will give you a tip. It's only $15 for the month, and that includes 8 to 9 classes, which comes out to less than $2 a class. Or you could subscribe and become an annual member for $150, which turns out to 2 free months. Also, all my classes are recorded. How cool is that? So if you miss a class, it stays live in your box for 7 days. Same with the Thursdays class. So there's always exercise to do. There's always recipes to follow. And I forgot one more to tell you. I also do instructional videos on the proper form of exercising. Because most often people will just get on any YouTube channel and they'll just watch a class for free. And you don't even know if that person is certified. I've been teaching 26 years. I'm fully certified. And my biggest concern is that I train my clients so they do not get injured. Been doing it for 26 years, and I could count on my right hand how many people have I gotten injured. I don't even think any. So, without further ado, thank you so much. Please make those egg muffins. Reach out to me. Let me know how they taste and what you think about them. Have a wonderful day, and I'll see you next week. Bye!
Thanks for watching the Abby's Golden Girls and Guys show. New live videos every week. Ask a friend to sign up for a free trial at vagero.com/Abby's Golden Girls.